Alright, let's continue with this is called binomial expansion. They give you the first three terms, which is 625, which I can write down these first three terms first. That f5 minus q to the x power p should be equal to 5 to the p power. It's minus, so it's minus p, this is p, because of p choose 1. 5 to the p minus 1 power, and then because it's a plus and then minus q here, okay, negative qx to the 1 power, and then plus p choose 2, and 5p minus 2, and then negative qx squared. So this is the first three terms, and then you can put plus dot 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 at the back, okay. So this first part, then we can put the first part down. So now we have to compare one by one. So it's 5 to the p power equal to 625, where p equal to 4. So this first one down, p is done. So then we can find p, if p equal to 4, so 5 to the third power, and negative qx equal to negative 1500x. So in this case I can take away the negative and cancel the x. Then q will be quite simple because I can simplify it. 5 cubed is 125, and times 4 you should get a 500. 500 divided by this, you got 300. 500 divided by 1500 divided by 500 is 3, so q equals 3. Once you got q equals 3, then you can find the last one, the r. So the last term is like 4 choose 2, 4c2, and 5 to the second power, and then you have a negative 3x squared equal to rx squared. So x squared is actually equal to, r equal to because x squared cancel. It's 6 times 25 times 9. So you will get 6 times 25 is 150 times 5 times 9. So it'll be 135.0. Okay. So that will be your final answer. So now let's continue with part B. Find the terms that is independent of x. Okay, when they say independent of x, that means you don't have x. It means that you're looking for the terms that with x to the 0 power. So we know the term r is term r plus 1 equal to n r, and then in this case is 2. This is not n anymore because they already have the number. It's 13. Okay, 12. Sorry, 12. Choose r. 2x to the 12 minus r power, and then 1 over 4x cubed to the r power. In order to get and you need to know that x to the 12 minus r power times x negative 3 to the r power must be equal to x to the 0 power. In this case, if this part here, this part x and this x, because this is power 12 minus r, and then this is x negative 3 power r, so it's negative 3r. So I noticed that 12 minus r minus 3r equal to 0. So 12 minus 4r equal to 0. So r must be equal to 3. So, and then I can find the terms now. Term 4, because r equal to 3, equal to 12, 3, and then I need to find the term 4 is actually 2 power 2x to the 9 power times 1 over 4x cubed to the 3 power. So x to the 9 and x negative 9 is cancelled. So 12, 3, you can use your calculator to calculate. So it's 12 times 11 times 10 or 3 times 2 times 1 times 2 to the 9 power, and times 1 over 2 square and 2 to the 6 power actually. So when I cancel them, you get 2 to the cube power, which is 8. 3 and 2 with 12, you got a 2. So you get a 2 times 8, 16. 16 times 11 will be 176. So it's 1760. So this will be your final answer.